Today we'll be talking about expert advisors and how you can use them. Expert advisor is used with MetaTrader 5 or 4. Um, the way you get them, um, uh, usually in a form of EX5 extension. So whenever you buy it or whenever you download one to try, there will be a file name dot ex5 for MetaTrader 5 expert advisors or ex4 for MetaTrader 4 expert advisors. So now once you get them, you are supposed to put them under this folder, advisors. So expert advisors and then advisors. So you would have them here and it will be easy to access them after that. So how do you put them under that folder? Basically you go under your C drive and you go under MetaTrader 5 folder and you go all the way to the folders that are inside until you reach expert advisors, and then underneath it you'll find two folders. One is advisors, one is examples. So it's better to put it under advisors. Once you put it there, then it will appear here as an expert advisor. So what you do after that, basically, you would drag that expert advisor to the chart that you want to trade on. So if you want to trade with USD CAD, USD Canadian currency, or this is gold, XAU USD, this is gold right here, or USD TRY, which is here, US dollar Turkish lira. So I want to trade, say, gold, like my expert advisor, which is Lazy Boy Hedger. If I go here and I want to add the latest one, which is, for example, this, and I will drag it all the way to the chart I want to add it to, let go, and it will come up with the inputs. Now these inputs you have to assign. But of course, if you buy an expert advisor, so you buy a professional expert advisor, you pay money for it, then the developer will actually send you a set file and you just load this set file. So instead of going in here and arranging or changing everything, you have to change whatever you want. These are all variables that you can change. Instead of doing that, you all you have to do is get the set file from the developer that made the expert advisor and installed it to you. And you go load, and you can load it from anywhere on your computer, on your hard drive. And for easy access, you can put it underneath presets. So instead of going under MQL and then experts and then advisors and examples like I showed you here, you can go under MQL5 and then presets. If you put it here when you get it from the developer of the expert advisor, then it'll be easy to access it from here. So once you do that, you just go, for example, these are my clients. I would open that and it will automatically change everything, including the activation password. This activation password is okay to see because it will not work for anyone. And it will actually set every single variable for you, so you don't have to manually input everything. And then you go OK. Once you go OK, actually the expert advisor will start to trade. Now this is how you attach it. Once you attach it, actually it will be here. It will stay here. I will actually here disable trading. We don't want it to trade, and I will go OK. You can see this started, and let's maximize this. And this is the expert advisor, and these are buttons that come with the expert advisor that are easy access, allow you to easy access some stuff. So once you have it here, you can always change the variables by going into the by right-clicking onto the expert advisor name here, and you go properties, and then you can change everything back, and then you can save the file, or you can just hit OK, and new variables will take effect immediately. Now, what are the expert advisors? Expert advisors are a piece of code that will be attached to a specific chart, like trading gold. If you want to trade gold, then this is what you're going to trade. If you want to trade currencies like Canadian US dollar, then you choose that, open the chart, and then drop the expert advisor file on top of it, and then it will be using that to trade. Now, once you attach it, it will actually automatically open and close positions, and it will gain money automatically 24 hours a day. Of course, as long as the market is open, because sometimes the market closes at 12 o'clock and then reopens at 4. Sometimes we have, or on the weekends, we have 2 days the market is closed. So 5 days a week, almost 22 hours a day. So you'll be sleeping, and the expert advisor will be actually making money for you. So if I go here and enable, I'll just show you a quick example. Of course, this is a demo account. This is a demo account that I showed in the first video, which is MetaTrader gives you, when you download the MetaTrader file, automatically gives you $10,000 to try with. And as you can see, it's a demo here. And if I enable the trading, you'll actually see the positions getting open. So I go OK, and the expert advisor automatically gives information about the market. You can see here everything, how many positions are open, lot sizes, and all that kind of stuff. So if I go back in here and I go, so it's enabled, and these are all the variables. Of course, each expert advisor has its own variables, and every developer of expert advisors make their own strategy, their own thoughts into this code and into this file, which then will automatic trade and will open position, close position, and so forth. And this will actually give you information about what the, so if the expert advisor is outputting some stuff, printing out some stuff, will actually show you these things. And any trades that will take place will actually be opened in this part. Can you interact with the expert advisor? Yes, you can interact with it. So you can actually close or open positions while it's working. But the expert advisor takes control of all positions that are open. So I've enabled the expert advisor from here, and also I want to say I want the algo trading to start. So make sure that this is algo trading is on play, and that way it will actually open and close positions automatically. Now, as I said, you can interact with the positions that will open and close. You can actually close an open position or open a new position if you want, but it will take control of the open position, and it will close it automatically on its own. Now, whenever you want to remove the expert advisor, you just right click and say remove. Once you remove it, then any open positions that you have will still be open. You just have to close them manually on after that. These information stay because this is one of the things that MetaTrader lacks. So you have to close this window and open another one for it to refresh. So if I go, for example, this view, and I close that, reopen it again, so XAUUSD, you'll see that the expert advisor information has gone because actually it's not there. It's not there anymore. So these are the expert advisors. Now, where can you find the expert advisors? Where can you find them? Expert advisors are found on MQL5 website, and to locate our expert advisor, which is called um it's called Lazy Boy Hedger Ultimate, you can actually go to MetaTrader or MQL5.com and search for Lazy Boy Ultimate or Lazy Boy Hedger, and it will come up to you, which has basically a golden rabbit. That's our expert advisor, and in a coming up video, I will be showing our own expert advisor and what it can do for you and how it can actually gain money automatically for you. I hope you find this video beneficial, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like our channel, subscribe, share, and have a good day.